The share boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 4.32%, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of a share limitlessness for the most part rose by 2.17% in the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as Axie's support floor, it in a real sense is currently $10.21, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie certainly has its by and large next obstruction at $11.87 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. 01 October 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these, much of the time explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for a share boundlessness really is Axie a genuinely wise speculation, or so they especially thought. A share endlessness support and opposition levels and so on amazingly. Be that as it may, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which essentially is very critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,082,486,145,595 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The kind of absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $28,442,159,686, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time span in an exceptionally huge manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere near 0.13 and at present exchanging at 52 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally significant way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending course for certainly present moment, exhibiting how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially is going in a very descending bearing for kind of transient in a very large manner. Right now, a by and large broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so as far as Axie's support floor, it for the most part is presently $10.21, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The share vastness backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they especially thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers really become kind of more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that yet prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, especially let us basically discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition is a level at which merchants become move genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unpretentious manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of a share endlessness, Axie, a share boundlessness execution. The especially everyday diagram of a share limitlessness especially shows that the Axie's cost really has basically flooded up with a 2.17% increment in essentially beyond 24 hours, or so they thought. The value worth of the share limitlessness, Axie coin for the most part is remaining at $4.69, with market capitalization $662,615,699 United States dollars, so 01 October 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through a share vastness cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some things, facts. What basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness truly is Axie's an essentially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's cost changes 4.32% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $22,007,764 United States dollars, exhibiting how the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly rose by 2.17% in the past 24 hours, which truly is very critical. Axie limitlessness value investigation Axie's cost examination for 01 October 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, which essentially is very huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Axie vastness. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking essentially. The Axie boundlessness truly has fundamentally break all its really upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, which basically is genuinely critical. Presently, truly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21 in a quite large manner. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the by and large sine line after a hybrid, showing how market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,082,486,145,595 in a kind of significant manner. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day outline in every way that really matters. Further appearance how as far as Axie's support floor, it especially is currently $10.21, which certainly is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and basically is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing how as of now, fundamentally bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost beneath the significant help level of $10.21, or so they generally thought. While Axie's Williams % R pointer truly is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, genuinely signal in every practical sense, is certainly conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that at present, really bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take Axie's cost underneath the vital help level of $10.21 in a very significant manner. Axie boundlessness market most certainly gives a bullish indications, and bulls can push Axie's in every way that really matters higher in the approaching meetings, showing how Axie vastness market most certainly gives a bullish indications, and bulls can sort of push Axie's in every way that really matters higher in the approaching meetings in an unobtrusive